Now, if you were here yesterday, you knew that silver and gold were both very, very likely to go down. Silver in a much bigger way than gold, obviously. We called this out yesterday. We've done this multiple times. We did it inside of Nordic Alpha, where I told everybody that I was shorting, shorted the S&P, and tried to let everybody know on YouTube that this was coming. And literally within minutes, maybe 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes of me posting that video yesterday, silver just bang, slam down, gold, bang, slam down. Then it got a nice recovery to a key level that I will show you on the chart, and then bang, got slammed down again. I actually closed my shorts out this morning at New York Open on both gold and silver and on platinum. I didn't tell everybody that I was shorting platinum, but I was shorting platinum as well. Obviously shorted the S&P as well. Made like 60 to 80%, something crazy on shorting the S&P and the NASDAQ, both at the same time. And then we also just took a massive gain on Bitcoin, where our full take profit hit last night on a massive move down, just absolutely crushing it inside of Nordic Alpha. So happy Friday Pi Day to anybody that's here. If you were here yesterday, you were prepared for this. I'm going to show you where we could be potentially going, whether it's up or down. Now, I've been talking about this for at least a week, saying, hey, I do believe that silver needs to come back down to at least $100, if not more, $95 and $90. And I laid those, supports and resistances out. I even laid them out yesterday for you. Also said gold needs to come down to about $5,000. It absolutely did that. And then ultimately, gold probably needs to come down to more like 4,650 to 4,400, which is where that double top is. And then boom, next move up. Target $6,000 plus on gold, target 135 to 150 on silver for the next move up. I do think this is part of a larger move down, okay? I think we can catch a bid today, or even over the next few days, right? I do think we can catch a bid to see it pump up a little bit to a key level that we would likely reject from, which is a Fibonacci level. And, I'll show you these levels in the chart here in just a second. But if you want the actual actionable levels and the trade setups and things of that sort, you have to get inside of Nordic Alpha. It's not something I give away for free on YouTube. I do tell people things on YouTube. I do tell people my bias, why I think, silver was going to go down the other day, literally yesterday, the day before that. Just saying. Same thing with gold. But I'm not going to give you actionable trade setups on YouTube. Now, why did this happen? Okay. Well, there was a very technical level here that we smacked into on silver, which was the $120 level, which I'd been talking about for probably 2 weeks. And then for gold, it was the $5,600 level, right? 56 to 56.50. We laid that out on this channel multiple times, saying that is going to be a massive resistance. At the very least, you are going to see price stop and pause at that level, if not reject. Ultimately, it got a massive rejection, and then it moved down, okay? So let's talk about where these things could be going. I'm going to show you just the support and resistances on the chart, okay? Now, if you were here yesterday, you probably know about these supports and resistances. And really quick, if you weren't here yesterday, this is going to blow your mind because we called this out. I would just suggest just subscribe to the channel at the very least. I would highly suggest getting inside of Nordic Alpha where it becomes actionable, but definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss this stuff ever again. Okay, we called this out right here. Okay, this was our first support level, $5,100. Okay, that pretty cut and dry, pretty plain and simple, right? Now, if we cannot keep or regain that level, which we're having trouble with right now, right? The likely place we're going to go down to is right here at about 45.69 to about 46.50, somewhere in that realm. And then ultimately, our ultimate highest level of support is going to be right here at $4,400 at this prior double top, okay? Now, what do I think is probably going to happen? Well, it's very simple. What we'll probably see happen is one of two scenarios. One, we just keep going down, we come straight down to this level. Or two, we pump up, we come somewhere in the equilibrium price of this move down, right? This move right here. And then we reject, and then we leg our way down to here. hopefully catching a bounce to then leg our way up to our ultimate targets, which is going to be $6,000 to $6,200 for the first target. And then you've got about $6,700 to $7,000 almost exactly, okay, for your second target. Now, there's a reason why we have these targets, and as you can see, those are the reasons right there. Now, am I going to tell you what those reasons are? No, because if you want to know those reasons, get inside of Nordic Alpha, right? But just know that your target is first and foremost $6,100 to $6,250, and second from that, $6,700 to $7,000. Your supports, $4,600. Obviously, we're trying to regain this $5,100 support right now, right? And $4,400. It's that simple. Like, I cannot break it down any simpler than that. I'm just going to be honest with you. Now, I did the exact same thing for silver yesterday, right? And I will show you the supports and resistances here, okay? Your first support, you blasted straight through it, man. And that was right here, just under your previous lows, right there, okay? And that was $101 or $100, almost exactly, right? Then your ultimate second level of support was these prior range highs. And this is the exact stuff we were talking about yesterday in the video, okay? You came down and you absolutely smashed into this. We actually gave this trade out in Nordic, okay? Right here. We actually gave this trade out because there was a level here. There was actually multiple levels here. And those people are already in profit. They had the ability to take profit here, 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 here. They're not going to lose on this trade, is kind of my point, right? So in any case, that's what I'm talking about. We already gave that trade out, right? If you want to see the trade that we gave out inside of Nordic Alpha for the gold long, we gave out this trade right here, right? Gave out this trade right here. That one and this one. This one's already hit full take profit, period, right? So if you got that one, you're already out or you're holding it, right? And if you got this one, you're just waiting to see if we do catch our bid and catch our pump up, right? So we also gave out this short right here from the top. Where is it? Oh, it was on silver. That's my bad. This short from the top on silver, bang. Nope, that's the long. I apologize. Boom. Full take profit all the way down. This is actually where I opened my short, and then we rode it all the way down here. I took profits today, okay? So in any case, where does silver go from here? If you want those trades, there's only one place to get them, and that's inside of Nordic Alpha's private VIP trading academy. $29 a month, less than $1 a day. Get in where you fit in. Ultimate level of support we know is $83, okay? We've already bounced from the $95 range. $90 right here is going to be your next support, okay? Period. Just is what it is. Bang, right here. That is your next support. Now, what do I want to see happen? Because our first target is 135 to 140. Second target after that is about 155 to 160, okay? What I would like to see is there's a couple of scenarios. One, we reject from here. We come down to 90, then we start bouncing, right? Or we just lose all of this altogether. We come all the way down to $82, and then we start legging our way up to the ultimate target of $135 to $140 and even $155 to $165, right? So that's, in my opinion, probably the two scenarios that happen right now, or you can just get this, right? And you can just start legging your way up. But I do technically think that this is a part of a larger move down, and what would likely happen is if you did pump up here, you'll probably reject somewhere in the 112 range to then make your next move down to either $90 or $82 and start your next leg up. So with that being said, that's what I'm seeing inside of the markets right now. I hope everybody's having a good hashtag Friday Pie Day. If you were on the channel yesterday and you positioned yourself properly, you made some good money overnight. Just, I didn't even give you the levels, but you did make good money overnight if you just watched the video. So with that being said, hopefully I see all of you inside of the Nordic Alpha private VIP Trading Academy soon. If you like content like this, all I ask, smash the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell. That way you don't miss this information ever again. Go check out my win rate. It's documented, 91.5%. I have that for a reason. I will see you all soon. Everybody have a wonderful #FridayPie Day and a beautiful weekend with your beautiful families.